Our bird of the day is hummingbird. Did you know why hummingbirds got that name? Keep watching to learn all about it. Hummingbirds are small, energetic birds known for their remarkable flying abilities. They are the smallest birds in the world, with the bee hummingbird being the tiniest species. Although they have relatively short lifespans, their unique characteristics make them fascinating creatures in the bird kingdom. Let's learn some unique facts about hummingbird. Smallest birds. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world. The smallest species, the bee hummingbird, measures only about 2.25 inches, 5.7 centimeters, in length and weighs less than a penny. Wing speed. Hummingbirds have incredibly fast wing beats. On average, they beat their wings around 50 times per second, but some species can reach up to 200 beats per second. This allows them to hover and fly in any direction, including backward and upside down. Feeding habits. Hummingbirds have a high metabolism and need to consume about half their body weight in nectar each day. They have long, specialized beaks and tongues that can reach deep into flowers to extract nectar. They also feed on small insects and spiders for protein. Unique flight abilities. Hummingbirds have the ability to hover in midair by rapidly flapping their wings. They can also fly in all directions, including upside down and backward. Their flight muscles make up about 30% of their total body weight, enabling their agile and acrobatic maneuvers. Brilliant plumage. Hummingbirds are known for their vibrant and iridescent feathers. The colors are not produced by pigments but by the microscopic structure of the feathers that refracts light. Depending on the angle of view, their feathers can appear to change colors or shimmer in different hues. Rapid heartbeat. Hummingbirds have extremely fast heartbeats. Some species have heart rates that can reach up to 1,200 beats per minute. This allows them to pump oxygen-rich blood at a rapid rate, supporting their high-energy lifestyle. Long-distance migration. Despite their small size, some hummingbird species undertake long-distance migrations. For example, the rufous hummingbird migrates from Alaska to Mexico, covering a distance of more than 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers, twice a year. Torpor. To conserve energy during the night or when food is scarce, hummingbirds enter a state called torpor. Their metabolic rate decreases, and their body temperature drops significantly, allowing them to conserve energy until food sources become available again. Aggressive behavior. Hummingbirds are known for their territorial and aggressive behavior. Males defend their feeding territories vigorously and engage in aerial battles with rivals, sometimes even using their sharp bills as weapons. Short lifespan. Despite their remarkable abilities, hummingbirds have relatively short lifespans. Most species live for about 3 to 5 years, although some individuals have been known to live up to 10 years. Hummingbird's name. Hummingbirds got their name from the buzzing sound produced by the rapid movement of their wings, which creates a humming or buzzing noise. These unique characteristics contribute to making hummingbirds fascinating and captivating creatures in the avian world. Thank you for watching, friends! Please like and subscribe for more interesting videos.